Okay, guys, we're going to talk about cleaning cowhides. We have a lot of questions about, what happens if, your dog lays on your cowhide. How do you clean your cowhide? What if there's muddy feet prints on it? All the things. Well, guys, at the end of the day, it's hair. Just hair. So you can, oh, I forgot that thing. It's good. Look at that. It's just pooling up. See how that just pools up? It's hair. Just a quick little bit of paper towel. I mean, if something spills on it, it's going to sit there a while before it ever goes through the hair. But just a paper towel and just dab it up, and that's all you need to do. I mean, it's done. It's up. Cash, will you bring me that bottle, please? Now, you got some dirt. You can mash it on there, do all the things, dirty. Thank you. And one thing about it, you can take the vacuum, you can sweep it, or you can do just like you would any other rug. Just pick it up and take it and shake it out. Now, wherever a little bit's left, you can rub it off. If it leaves a little bit of a dirty spot or mud, you saw me dip up the water a minute ago. This is just water. You can just rub it across there and get any of the dirt that's left off. There it is. And I mean, it's easy peasy. A vacuum cleaner works well. You can do that. But your dog, my dog sits on them. I've got hides that are over 20 years old. They're fine. The only thing that you ever have, the only thing you really need to watch with a hide is on the edges. I mean, if you have a good quality hide now, you can get one that wasn't tanned properly or whatever, and you might have some other issues. But along the edge where they're cut, if you leave it in the sunshine all the time, or if it gets some sunlight through the window or something, and it's a high traffic area, you may get a little bit of hair coming loose there. And that's just part of it. I mean, but now you're talking years down the way in heavy traffic areas. But ever so often, it would help if you just rotated it, and it'll save a lot. But we've also had, what if we spill something nasty on it? So I'm gonna put this in here. This has got this skinny mix. I'm gonna spill skinny mix on it. So you can see that it's red. But at the end of the day, it's still just water. And it's still just liquid, and it's still just hair. But when something's colored, it's best just to tap it down lightly and pick it up. And your color's right there on that. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's just hair. It will, it's got its natural things in it that keeps it from going all the way through. And y'all see me pour a lot of water on it. There is not one bit that has come through. Nothing. Not wet anywhere. So it's really easy to take care of a hide. It's probably easier to take care of a hide than it is a rug, honestly. Because the fabric and the textile from the rug, it's mostly made with, a lot of them are made with yarn or, which is going to have fiber, different types of fiber in it. You can get a wool rug. You can get all kinds of different rugs. But I'm going to tell you, a lot of them rugs are going to be polyester, that stuff. That's going to absorb anything that goes in it. Where the hide is just not going to, and the hair is just not going to. But, I mean, you can feel this right now. It doesn't even have a wet spot on it. I mean, it's not even damp where I've spilt stuff on it, none of the things. So it's really not that hard to take care of your cowhide. So next time you're looking for a cowhide, come by Ranch Mart, and we will fix you up.